Okay, turns out I was just a little bit stupid. I'm not a PHP expert, so don't hang me on this one. I really am not. I actually kind of despise PHP. I never aspired to learn it other more than I actually needed to know. So just change sleep to maybe 5 or 4, something like that, and that should be fine. That should give us enough time. Also, I have modified the monitor file a little bit. I've just added this one single line here in the if statement. It just cats out the credentials.txt onto the screen. Why? Well, so that we can get so that it prints out the username and password that has actually been saved. You can also add something like, okay, print it out, then delete it, then recreate it, then set the permissions to it. Just add a bunch of commands down there if you want to automate that process. Okay, so the monitoring is on. This is on the server. The web server is running. I am here. Let's go ahead and type in test and test 1, 2, 3, and then let's go ahead and submit this. Okay, it's spinning, and there we go. It sends us to the real website. So let's go ahead and see if we've actually harvested anything. Yes, indeed we have. We have harvested the username test and the password test 1 through 3. Voila, there you go. Over and done with. Now, to conclude this chapter, I would like to ask you all a personal favor, not to hang me for my shortcomings. I know that my code can be a little bit messy and that I can make some silly and stupid mistakes. With Bash, no, not really, but with PHP, oh my god, I can make a lot of them, really stupid ones. Anyway, I think you can shorten the time down to 3 or to 4. 3 would be ideal, but I don't think that anybody is going to notice that the site actually loads for like 5 seconds. I don't think that anybody's going to be if you can experiment with a little bit less. The timings, there are no guarantees, but I mean this process is going to get killed within 5 seconds. Of that we can rest assured. I mean within less than 5 seconds. Anyway, please don't hang me. Enjoy the tutorial. You have the scripts here. I can post them on GitHub if you really need me to, but I really don't think that there is a need. They're really short scripts. You can see them from the screen and just rewrite them yourselves without bigger problems. So the fact that this has been cat out here on the screen doesn't mean that it wasn't saved in this file. If I do cat credentials, it's within the file, so don't worry about it. They have been saved there. You can just press Control C here to terminate this. So this is basically the entire script. I'm showing you the entire script on the screen, and you should be able to type this. I don't think that I should need to post this on GitHub, but if you really need me to do it that badly, I actually might do it. Change the scripts accordingly to fit your needs. Change the domain names to fit accordingly to your needs. Please do not do anything without prior permission or without actually doing it on the systems that you yourselves own. Anyway, I'm gonna bid you farewell here, and this shall conclude this rather lengthy chapter.